Most people promoting Fiverr affiliate links are using the wrong platforms. They are posting on TikTok, they are posting on LinkedIn, and they are getting almost no results. Okay, Pinterest is different. Pinterest gets 1 billion monthly visitors. It's search engine, not a social platform, and every single day millions of those visitors are searching for exactly the services Fiverr sells. Okay, I found that gap and it's generating consistent Fiverr affiliate commissions for me every single month using free traffic and AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method, and stay until the end because the last part shows you how to use AI to do most of the work automatically, and that's part that changed everything. I have been doing this affiliate marketing business, guys, for over 7 years, and I'm making over $50,000 a month. And just last month, guys, with Fiverr affiliates, as you guys can see here in my payment page, I have made $52,194 and it's paid. This is my invoice. You guys can see here recent payment request details. It's paid. I already received this payment in my bank account. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how you can promote your Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest correctly using AI and free traffic. Okay, so step number one for people who want to start promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest and they want to start making money, you guys need to join Fiverr affiliate program. So you need to create an affiliate account. It's super easy and simple. You will go to Google and you will search for Fiverr. You will click on the first link over here like this, and you will sign up using your email address. So once you finish your sign up process, this will be your homepage, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be, guys, your Fiverr homepage. Super easy and simple. You will scroll, so you will come to this page and scroll down like this, go to company and click on affiliate. Okay, just click on affiliate like this, and you will be, guys, in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can scroll down and you guys can check their commission plan. This is high cheeky affiliate marketing program. They are paying a really high commissions. They are paying some commissions, guys, for pro services. They are paying up to 70% of the first order, which is crazy, guys. The best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. You can turn this into a passive income. Okay, the lowest that they are paying is 25% of the first orders, which is crazy, guys. Okay, anyway, you guys can go and check the commission plan here so you can understand and get more info. If you want to create your affiliate account, you will go back to this page and you will click on join now. Once you click on join now, you will be in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, confirm your password, and account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on this one and click on yes. Pay close attention here because this step is very important. So to get your account approved fast, you need to go and create a Pinterest business account, and you need to post at least 10 pins about Fiverr services, 10 different Fiverr services pins. Okay, once you post those pins, make them public in your Pinterest account, then copy your Pinterest profile link and put your Pinterest profile link here. Once you do that, scroll down, click on country, choose your country from here. You can start this business from anywhere. You can start this business from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, any country, guys. Okay, search for your country from here. Once you do that, click on English, choose your language from here. If you have a Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. So once you finish your sign up process, it's super easy and simple. You will have an account like this one. So this will be, guys, your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see here your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, and people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy those services that you will start promoting on Pinterest. This is my affiliate account dashboard. You guys can see I'm sharing with you here everything. And just this month, guys, just in 21 days, I have made $35,262. Okay, and this month I will make over $50,000 also. Okay, anyway, once you finish your sign up process, like I said, this will be your homepage. So what you need to do next is you need to create an Pinterest business account. You will go to Google if you don't have and search for Pinterest business account like this and click on the first link, sign up using your email address. Once you finish, You should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, it's super easy and simple. So what you need to do next, let me show you guys. Pinterest is search engine platform. It's not like TikTok, it's not like Instagram. It's Pinterest is search engine platform. It's working like Google and YouTube. Okay, so since it's search engine platform, you need to focus on SEO. You need to create an SEO optimized content that can rank higher on Pinterest here and get you clicks and make you commissions. That's how you can win on Pinterest. Okay, and it's getting 1 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number. Okay, anyway, once you finish creating your Pinterest business account, what you will do next, you need to find and promote services that people will be interested to buy from you. You cannot promote services randomly or choose the service that you like or that you think they can work. This business doesn't work like this. Since Pinterest is a search engine platform, we need to promote what people are searching for on Pinterest. Okay, so what we will do here is we will click on the Pinterest search bar and we will use Pinterest search bar to see what people are searching for on Pinterest. So we will type here keyword. As an example, I will type just like this, logo. You guys can see I just typed this keyword, and Pinterest guys will suggest the topics that people are searching for on Pinterest right now. Okay, you guys can see we have people search for logo design ideas. So I can promote logo design services for this audience who search for logo design ideas. Okay, logo concept, logo design, and not just logo design guys, you have a lot. Let's type t-shirts. Here you go, t-shirts print design, t-shirt design ideas. You can promote t-shirt services. We have, I don't know, we have video. Here you go, I just typed video. We have video editing, videos for reels, video ideas. I can promote video editing services and so much more. So you just need to type here keyword and promote services related to the keyword that people are already searching for on Pinterest. As an example, let's type the first keyword, this one as an example, logo design. Okay, so what I will do next as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, I will go back to Fiverr, to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search, okay, and I will search for logo design. It's already popular right now on Fiverr because this service has high demand. Okay, search for logo design services. Okay, so once you search for logo design services, you will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service on Fiverr. Okay, super easy and simple. So what you need to do next is you need to copy this link. Okay, copy this link, this page link about Fiverr logo services, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard and click on your dashboard. Here you have dashboard, marketing tools, report. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be guys in this page. You will click here on deep link and paste here your the page link that you copied from Fiverr. Paste it here, okay, and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first affiliate link. This one guys, Fiverr marketplace new plan. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, and if you are watching this and thinking, okay, but I want someone to actually show me how to build this step by step, that's exactly why I created my AI affiliate marketing course. Inside I show you how to use the latest AI tools to build both Fiverr and Amazon affiliate income streams, find profitable opportunities, create content faster using AI without showing your face, without using your voice, and get free traffic without relying on paid ads from different social media platforms, from Pinterest, from YouTube, from Instagram, from TikTok, and so much more. So instead of spending a month jumping between random YouTube videos and trying to figure everything out yourself, you can follow the exact system I teach my students who are already making great results. I share everything in my YouTube posts, in my YouTube channel. You can go and check my student results. And if you are serious about turning AI and affiliate marketing into a real income stream, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description and I'll send you all the details. Okay, also guys, you get direct access to me, so I will follow up with you to make sure you are applying the system correctly and make sure you are doing everything correctly. Okay, anyway, like I said, let's complete our video. We need to promote this affiliate link guys on Pinterest. So what we need to do is we need to create an SEO optimized content that we will post here on Pinterest. Okay, so we will go to Pinterest and we will click here on home feed and we will click on create pin. Okay, so we need to create an SEO optimized pin. So what we will do next is we will use AI tools. Okay, we will start with ChatGPT. We will go to ChatGPT, guys. So just go to ChatGPT, guys, and ask him, guys, to give you a viral prompt to send to Google Gemini to create a viral ad Pinterest pin picture for Fiverr logo services. You will click on send prompt, and ChatGPT will create this high converting viral Pinterest ad pin prompt for you. You guys can see here. You will just copy this prompt just like this. Okay, copy this prompt. Okay, and what you will do next, you will go to Google Gemini. Okay, and you will click here on this icon and choose create image. Okay, once you choose create image, paste here your prompt and just click on submit. Okay, and Google Gemini will create a high converting viral Pinterest ad pin picture that you guys can use to promote those Fiverr services on Pinterest. Okay, this is exactly, guys, how you can promote affiliate links, Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using AI and free traffic. You just need to use AI tools. You need to do keyword research and find services that will help people to solve their problems. You need to promote services that people are already paying for, and promote services that people are already searching for on Pinterest. Okay, that's how you can win. And here you go, your Pinterest pin ad picture is done. Let's check. Your logo looks cheap. Here you go. You see, this is a good and viral Pinterest ad picture. It's very, very good. So what you will do, you will just download this picture to your laptop. Click over here to download this picture to your laptop, guys. And what you will do next, you will go back to Pinterest and click on upload media and upload your Pinterest ad picture. Okay, this one, about logo services that you are using to promote logo services on Pinterest. This one, guys. Okay, so what we need to do, we need an SEO optimized title and an SEO optimized description. What we will do next, we will use AI. We will go back to Google Gemini and we will ask him, give me, okay, SEO optimized title and description for this pin to rank higher on Pinterest, just like this. Okay, please just use AI. Also, guys, once you post, if you just started, once you post at least between 20 and 50 pins, you need to check your Pinterest account data and see which pins are getting clicks, which pins are not getting clicks, double what's working and avoid what's not working. Okay, that's exactly how you can win. Don't just copy paste. If you just copy paste, you can't make any commissions. You need to do more research, do more effort, improve your content, test different styles of content, test different styles of pins, and see what's working. Okay, don't just copy paste. So here is your title in SEO optimized titles. Here is option 1, option 2, option 3. Okay, so we have here 3 options. You can test and see which title is getting clicks. Does logo. I will copy the first option as an example, and I will go back to Pinterest and paste this title here. Description, I will go back to Google Gemini. Here is the optimized pin description. Okay, copy with hashtags, with everything. Copy this pin description, go back to Pinterest and paste this pin description here. Okay, scroll down, and here you need to put your affiliate link. Of course, you will not put affiliate links directly on Pinterest, because if you are doing this, your account can get banned and you will get 0 traffic and make 0 commission. You need to create a landing page or an affiliate website. Once you do that, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account here, and you will copy your affiliate link from here, and you will go back to Pinterest and you will put this affiliate link inside your landing page or inside your website. Okay, then you can put here your landing page link or your website link. This is a safe way, and that's how you can make commissions. Don't promote affiliate links directly on Pinterest. Okay, then you can put here as an example your Pinterest, or sorry, your landing page link as an example, like this. Okay, scroll down, click on board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. Okay, so please also in each board promote one specific niche. Don't promote different niches in one board. If you want to promote new niche, create new board and promote the niche that you want. Okay, if you are following this system that I'm sharing with you here, you can make commissions. Okay, I have students, they have Pinterest account that's getting 3-5 million visitors per month. organically without any paid ads, because it's search engine platform. So you need to create an SEO optimized content. If you are creating good content on Pinterest, you can win. If you are just copy paste, it's very hard. Okay, anyway, you can also put here tags. They are not important. You need to focus on your on the keyword in your description and the keyword that are in your title. This is exactly what you need to focus on. Okay, so once you finish, you will click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using AI and free traffic. Okay, so your Pinterest pin will be published like this. And if people guys click on visit site from here, if they click on visit site, they will be directly in this logo design Fiverr page about logo design services. Okay, if they buy one service from those sellers, you earn a commission. If they buy from pro seller, you earn up to 70% of the first order, and so on. Okay, for other services you earn 25%, which is very very good. Okay, and also guys, when you send people to this page, you give them freedom to choose which seller they want to work with depending on their budget. So don't send the visitors that are coming from your affiliate link to one specific Fiverr seller page. Okay, send them to this page like this, like I explained it in this video. So like this, like I said, you are giving people freedom to choose which seller they want to work with depending on their budget. Some people can pay for the service, some people can pay for this one starting from $20, some people can pay for this one starting from 25, some people can pay for this one starting from $45. For you, anyway, you earn a commission and it's free. You are using free traffic. So that's it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you want to learn more about this business and you want to get access to me and access to all my AI methods, my AI strategies, my AI tools that I'm using to scale this affiliate marketing business to over $50,000 a month, I have everything explained inside my AI affiliate marketing course. Feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I'll send you all the details to get you started. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Also guys, if you don't know which services also to promote, you can always come back to Fiverr, go to trending. You should see here trending, and here you go. Here is all the trending services that you need to promote. Okay, you cannot promote just, guys, don't just use Pinterest. You have a lot of social media platforms that you can use. So for me, what's making me a lot of commissions, it's Pinterest and YouTube. They are search engine platform. I'm focusing just on creating good SEO content that will keep getting traffic for years and keep making me commissions using AI tools without showing my face and without using my voice. Okay, anyway, here is the trending services that you can promote. Also, you can promote AI services. They are also trending. Anything related to AI, it's very good. Okay, you need to just to create an SEO optimized content about those services, post it on social media platforms, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next one.